When a scan finishes, the dashboard tells you how many files were scanned, skipped, or failed. But numbers alone don't answer the most important question. Did everything really get scanned? And if not, why not? That's where audit logs come in. Audit logs give you a complete line-by-line record of everything the scanner touched. Every file that was processed, skipped, or failed, and the exact reason why. Let's take a look. After a scan completes, open the Actions menu next to the scan and click Download Audit Log. This gives you a CSV file that you can open in any spreadsheet application. Inside the audit log, you'll see one row per file. The key columns are Status, whether the file was scanned, skipped, or failed. Severity of detected PII in this document. Note, the reason something failed or was skipped. This column is especially important. For example, you might see messages like unsupported content type. The file is in a format the scanner can't read. File is password protected or permission denied. The scanner didn't have rights to access this file. These messages tell you exactly why the scanner couldn't process the file. In many cases, this is expected. For example, an access permissions error or a corrupted file format. But for breach-related investigations, or when an auditor asks for proof that all files were reviewed, it's a good idea to go through the failed and skipped entries and then possibly rescan with fixed permissions or changed settings. Audit logs are safe to share, as they contain no PII, no extracted content, only file paths, statuses, and diagnostic messages. So if you ever wonder what exactly happened during this scan, the audit log gives you a complete, transparent trail. For more help, check the online documentation or contact your PII Tools support team. To learn more about PII Tools, follow our YouTube channel and our LinkedIn profile for more tutorials and resources.